Nice to meet you again. Could you please shortly describe the project which you work for with us with Äager?
Yeah, so we've ordered some such vessels for a water transfer scheme for pumping mains, where we have we expect some such events. We want to prevent the damage to the pipes. So we ordered such vessels for that purpose. Yes.
What was the reason for choosing Äager?
We use a third party for our projects. We contract, and they then come with their suppliers. So then they present their suppliers to us, and when we see that the suppliers meet our product and requirements in terms of the standards and also with the quality assurance that they can give us, then we accept that you can use those product. They can use that supplier, and we can have those products. So the company was presented to us, and we accepted that. But also we've used other Turkish products, a couple of other valves. Yes, and we were happy with that. So we accept that we can work with Turkish product manufacturer.
And did you get any chance to visit the manufacturing store here? If yes, how was your experience about it?
Yeah, it was quite an interesting experience. We found that your processes are quite clear. Your factory floors are very neat, and from your description of because they described before what the process is before we went to the factory floor, and we saw what was described, and it's a very streamlined process, and very clear, and also has a lot of traceability, which is very important in terms of manufacturing. You want to be able to say that this product was at this point at this time. So we were quite happy with what we saw.
Yeah, nice to hear that.
Yes.
What do you think about the engineering know-how of our brand?
We've seen quite a number of different products that you offer. We are here for such vessels, but you see that you have scrubbers as well, which our company, it's a water utility. We call it Water Utilities. It's a water company. We also do wastewater, so we realize that you also produce some things, and even your pig launching stations. We have big pipes. We are thinking of having pigging stations for some of our pipes. So it's quite an interesting. Your product variety is quite interesting, and we see that you also do your own designs here for the specific solution that anyone may want. So we are quite happy with that.
Are you also satisfied about the services which you get from the brand?
Yeah, we're quite happy. We've seen our specific products. We've seen them that they're ready for shipping, so we are happy with that.
Would you recommend the brand in your sector?
Yes. We've used other manufacturers before from different parts of the world, Europe and Asia, and we're happy to have at least a few brands which we can know. When you say a brand is good, sometimes it's good to compare. Comparison. So we are happy to to be able to go and see how your product will perform, and then be able to give you feedback in the future.
Okay.
Yeah.
The last question: how was your communication with the team?
I think it was good. You know, I think the main thing is probably just accent. You know, sometimes some of what we say, we don't pronounce it the same, or we don't say it the same as some of the team members do. So that was the only slight, but you know, in the end we could understand each other. So that was good. We are happy with the fact that there's nothing that we've asked or that we've talked about which we were not able to communicate with the team.
Yeah, nice to hear that too.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for your time then.
Thank
It
you
was
so
nice
much.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you.